Hello, my fourth graders. Welcome back. This lesson is 8.3. Add fractions with like denominators. Like means same, okay? So our target is to add fractions with like denominators. And I want you to be able to use models to add fractions and rule to add fractions, and want you to be able to explain how to add fractions with like denominators, okay? Write each fraction as a sum of unit fractions. Use models to help. All right. So this is what? 3/6. Okay. And we need to use what? Unit fraction. So how many add-ins? Add-ins are like how many numbers are added. Okay. That's add-ins. So how many add-ins are going to be here? Okay. 3 of unit fraction, right? And this is going to be 5 add-ins. Okay, question. How many unit fractions did you use in all to rewrite the fractions above? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Okay, how does this relate to the sum 3/6 plus 5/6? Okay, so we used 8 of 1/6. Okay, so the sum of 3/6 plus 5/6 also uses 8 of 1/6. Okay. Now, how can you use the numerators and the denominators to add fractions with like denominators? Explain why your method makes sense. So when the denominators are the same, okay, add only the numerators, okay? Because, we are assuming the pieces are same, okay? They have equal pieces, okay, size of piece. And then you always count how many slices of pizza are going to be taken, okay? You and your friend. So the numerators are parts of the same whole. So I can say when the denominator are the same, then add the numerators only. Okay. All right. Because the numerator are parts of the same whole. Okay. Now next page, to add fractions with like denominators, add the numerators only. Okay, like this. 5/3 plus 3/5 is what? 1 plus 3 on top of 5. Okay, because we are using what? Same pieces. Okay, same whole number. It's gonna be 4/5. The denominator stays the same. Okay, you can use what? 3 plus 4/10, which is 7/10. Okay, that's what it is here. So 3/10 plus 4/10 is equivalent to 7/10. Okay, now example, find 5/4 plus 3/4. So now, since we have same denominator, we can add simply 5 plus 3. Okay, which is what? 8. Okay, 8/4. Look at this. 8/4 is equivalent to what? 2. So that's this way. You can say this way. You have 4 slices of pie, okay? Of pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/4 means what? 2 whole pies, okay? So 5/4 plus 3/4 is equivalent to 8/4 is equal to 2 whole pies, okay? All right, now let's practice more. Add 1/4 plus 2/4, which is what? they have same denominator as 4, and you can simply add 1 and 2 together. So it becomes 3 over 4. What about number 2? 6 plus 2 over what? 5, which is what? 8 over 5. Okay? And this one, 4 plus 4 is what? 4 plus 4 over 8 is 8 over 8. Oh, you took 8 slices out of 8. That means what? You took 1 whole pie. Make sense? Okay. So this lesson is another lesson, same lesson that we practiced yesterday or last lesson, okay? So 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6. 3 plus 2 over 6 is what? 5 over 6. All right. 8 plus 4 is what? 12. I'm going to write it. Over 2 is what? 12 over 2. That means what? You can divide by 2 is what? Is equal to 6 whole. Okay, 6 whole pies. And this is what? 5 over 5, which is 1 whole pie. Okay, and this is 95 over 100. Oh, I forgot to tell you. You know, you have to pause your video and then you have to figure it out by yourself and then come back to check your answers with mine. Okay, good luck. Number 8, you can use these 2 different ways. Okay, so for example, this is equal to what? If we split that into 3 equal parts, you are going to have 6. So 6 plus 5 over 3 is what? 11 over 3. Okay, or you can simply just say what? 2 whole pies and 5 over 3. Okay, you can simply say that. And that's equivalent to, because we know that can be split it into 3 over 3 plus 2 over 3. So it's going to be 3 over 3 and 2 over 3. If it's too hard, forget about it. Okay, this is just optional. Because, you know, I just said it because this is going to be our future lesson. But here, look at that. 2 plus 5 over 3 can be what? 2 plus 3 over 3. That means what? You have 1 whole and 3 over 2 is left behind. If you don't understand, don't worry. Okay, I think I went too far. Okay, so it can have many, this can have many different answers. Okay, this one, very simple way is what? 6 whole pies you ate, and then you ate 1 slice out of 12 more. Okay, and this is gonna be what? 5 over 4. Okay, and this is gonna be 15 over 8. Okay, now this is gonna be 69 over 100. Okay, now you eat 2 over 10 of a vegetable pizza. Your friend eats 3 over 10 of the pizza. What fraction of the pizza do you and your friend eat together? Simply, you can add, which is what? 5 over 10. Oops. Ooh. Sometimes it happens, I don't know. But I'm glad that you have it already, right? So you can move back if you didn't understand. I'm going to continue from the number 13. Okay, so that's what? 2 plus 3 over 10 is what? 5 over 10. Okay? Number 14. A sum has 5 addends. That means what? 5 fractions, okay? Or 5 numbers are going to be in addition equation, okay? And each addend is a unit fraction. Unit fraction, 1 as a numerator, okay? We don't know. And the sum is what? We don't know the denominator I meant, okay? So the sum is what? 1, okay? So what are the addends? So the addends can be 1 over 5 because 5 addends are going to be there. 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 1 over 5, 1 over 5. That means what? You have 5 over 5, which is 1 whole pie you are taking. Okay, so the addend is what? 1 over 5. Number 15, explain how to add 3/4 and 1/4. Use a model to support your answer. Okay, it's simple. How to add? you have 3 out of 4, right? And then add one more. That means what? You are going to have 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 is 4 over 4, which is what? 1 whole pie. Okay, I know this is not a pie, but we are always talking about pizza, okay? When it comes to fraction. All right, so last page, guys, already. Wow, this is going to be another short lesson. All right, example. The table shows the natural hazards studied by 100 students for a science project. What fraction of the students studied a weather-based natural hazard? Okay, weather-based natural hazard. Okay. Now interpret the picture graph. Yes, we know this water drop shape. Okay, the symbol represents 8 students. Okay, and then for these water-based hazards are what? Only hurricane and tornado. So this is what? This represents 8, 8, and 4. 8 plus 8 plus 4, which means what? Oh, that's what it is in here. That's gonna be 16 plus 4 is 20. And here 8, 8, 8. 8 times 3 is what? 24. Okay, so that's what it meant in here. Okay, hurricane and tornado. Okay, now write the fraction of students who studied each weather-based hazards. Okay, now number of students needs to be on top as a numerator, and total number of students surveyed. How many students are there total? 100 students. Okay, so the hurricane is gonna be 20 over 100, and tornado is what? 24 over 100. So add the two fractions. Okay, so 20 plus 24 over 100, which is what? 44 over 100. Okay, so 44 over 100 of the students studied a weather-based natural hazard. Okay. Number 16. Use the graph above to find what fraction of the students studied on Earth-based natural hazard. Okay, now let's go find out for the natural Earth-based ones. This is 8 plus 4, and this is 8 plus 8, which is 16, and this is 12. And this is what? 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4. Okay, which means 24 plus 4 is 28. Okay, now all you need to do is what? 12 plus 16 plus 28 over 100, because total number of students didn't change. You know that, right? And we know this is easier. 12 plus 28 is going to be what? 40. 40 plus 16 is what? 56 over 100. Okay. All right, number 17, last question. A caterer needs at least 2 pounds of lunch meat to make a sandwich platter. She has 6/4 pounds of turkey and 3/4 pound of ham. Okay, does the caterer have enough lunch meat to make a sandwich platter? Explain. Let's take a look. Okay, so together turkey and ham, they have what? 6 plus 3 over 4. Okay, which means what? 9 over 4 is equal to what? Oh, we can split that into 4 over 4 plus 4 over 4 plus 1 over 4. That means what? This is 1 pound plus 1 pound plus 1 over 4. That means what? The caterer has more than enough meat, because it has what? 2 pounds already, and he has what? 1/4 of pound is left over. Okay, so the answer is what? Yes. I'm gonna put therefore yes. How? They have the caterer has 2 pounds and 1/4 of meat. Okay, so more than enough. All right, that's it for today's lesson, and I'm going to see you soon. So if you have any question or anything didn't understand, please get ready for sharing during this class, okay? And your homework will be 363 and 4, okay? I will see you soon. Bye.